Would you like to be more comfortable putting your face in the water? We're going to practice putting our face in the water. We will begin without tools. So we will begin without goggles on. You will have an opportunity to try the skill later with the goggles on. The first thing you want to ask yourself when beginning any skill, what are your concerns? Those are the concerns that may prevent you from doing the skill comfortably. You'd want to take care of each concern. That way, they are not a distraction from staying completely in your body. If a concern of yours putting your face in the water is that water gets in your eyes, then close your eyes. Observe the expression on your face. Are you squeezing your eyes shut? Bring your full attention to your eyes and observe the energy it's taken to squeeze it shut. Don't try to force your eyes open. Observing the tension might give it the chance to dissipate or not. Just bring attention to your eyes and be as comfortable as you can get. Observe what it's like to see in the water. Is it clear? Is it blurry? Feel the water on your eyes. Then try to see if you're able to open your eyes and go into the water with your eyes open. When you're able to do this comfortably multiple times, take your goggles and put them on. Observe what it's like to see underwater with your goggles on. It's most likely clearer than when you looked with just your eyes. That's because the eyes see clearer when there's an air capsule between it and water, and the goggles are providing that air capsule. If you have a concern the water may get in your nose, then hold your nose. Pinching your nose when you put your face in the water. When your face is in the water, slowly release your fingers from the pinch to feel the water against your nostrils. Do this as slowly as possible. Bring your full attention to your nose and your nostrils. How does the water feel against your nostrils? Is it entering in? When you're comfortable with the feeling of your nose in water, you may choose to put your face back in the water without your nose pinched. How does it feel? How does the water feel against your nose and your nostrils? Remember, you're focusing on one thing at a time, so you may choose to keep your eyes closed throughout this exercise. However, if you've already gained comfort around the feeling of your eyes open in water, then you can put your face in the water with your eyes open and your nostrils unpinched. But that is only if you have gained full comfort around your eyes open in water from the last section. Repeat putting your head into the water and feeling the water on your nostrils multiple times until you've gained comfort around water being around your nostrils. Do it as slowly as possible. There are positions your head can be that would prevent water from rushing up your nostrils. And there are positions that will allow water to rush up your nostrils. When you're facing the bottom of the pool, your nostrils or behind, and water will not flow into your nose. Practice this, putting your face in the water with your face facing the bottom of the pool. Play with this until you feel very comfortable putting your head in the water with your face facing the bottom of the pool. Put your face in the water, but with your face facing the side of the pool. That is, with your nostrils perpendicular to the bottom of the pool. Do it very, very slowly and feel what it's like. If you were to enter the pool vertically, but you did it too quickly, you could have a situation where the water gushed up your nose, and that could be very uncomfortable. Other positions where water could gush up your nose is if you were upside down in a pool, for instance, trying to do a headstand or a handstand. In that case, gravity pulls water in the direction of your nostrils, encouraging it to enter your nose. To prevent you from being worried about your nose anytime you're in the pool, thinking about, am I in the right position or in the wrong position, we employ some tools. In this case, a nose clip. A nose clip allows you to shut your nostrils so that you can focus on a different part of your body. We will be using the nose clip when we practice some skills so that we can bring our full attention to the part of the body we're practicing on. We use a nose clip to keep us from being distracted about what is happening with our nose when we're practicing comfort on other parts of the body. It is not a crutch to use a nose clip. Give yourself every tool and everything you need to practice in comfort. Eventually, and if you so desire, you may get to a point where you're free of your nose clip. But for now, the nose clip is your friend. If you have a concern that you might run out of breath, then take a breath before closing your mouth or nose. And feel free to come up whenever you need another breath. When we put our faces in the water, there might be a concern that you might run out of air. I want you to know that you have enough breath to do this exercise. But don't take my word for it. We're going to test it out. We'll have you hold your breath. Nothing crazy, not the full inhale. We're not trying to fill the lungs. We want to see how long you can hold your breath for. This is not a competition. This is not to maximize the breath. We just want you to know that even with a normal breath, you have enough breath to do this exercise and come up with plenty of air still in your lungs. So hold the side of the pool. Ask your buddy to start a stopwatch when you put your face in the water. Take a normal breath and put your face in the water. When you feel like you need another breath, come up. Remember, we're just trying to see how long you can stay underwater with a normal breath so that you can show yourself that you have enough oxygen for this exercise. Put your ear on the water. Bring your full attention to the feeling of the water on your ear. Come up when you're ready. Repeat for the other ear. What did it feel like? If you have a concern that you might inhale underwater, then close your nose and bring your attention to your nose and your mouth. If you have a concern that water may get in your mouth, then close your mouth. If you're concerned that you may lose your balance, then hold the side of the pool during the practice. If you're concerned that you might lose control while practicing, then remember to bring your full attention into your body and proceed as slowly as possible. If you're concerned about claustrophobia while in the water, then come up whenever. Address every and any concern you have. Give yourself everything you need to be comfortable.